All right, so I call her Shorty Patty. I call her Jody Dody. And her most recent name is Sister Neely. But she's not here for any of those reasons. She's here because we want to know, where's the food, Joe?
Where's the food, Joe?
Hi. Good morning.
Hello.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning
Thank you
time.
for having me.
Well, it is our pleasure.
Okay.
But we kind of have you every morning still.
know.
Yeah. Where's the food, Joe? What's that?
Okay, so it is my food blog that I launched in 2016. After having a lot of food on my personal page, my friends would want to know where I get it from, how it tastes. So I said, okay, fine, I should branch off into having something on its own. It was at an event that my friend asked me, well, he said in these words, Joe, where the food there? And I told him where it was. So I was like, that sounds like it has a good ring to it. Let me just put it in the standard English version so it's easier for people to find when I do launch. So I had the idea, my friend Jane, she did the logo for me and everything, and 2016 on my birthday, I launched it.
What? You're another name. Chatterbox.
No, I'm not.
I barely asked a question and the interview nearly done. So you're a foodie, obviously.
Yes.
So,
From birth,
yeah?
yeah. Apparently my parents, they said they would rather clothe me than feed me.
I have another question. So where the food go when you eat?
Oh, my hair. See how luscious?
No, see, they look at her. and
Yeah,
tell
oh
you.
my gosh, yes. You see how luscious my hair is?
Oh, luscious.
Look at that as well. Chomping down as usual.
No, man, luscious sounds good.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, time nearly done. I have so many things to ask you. 3 things every food blogger need to know about capturing the culinary treats.
Okay, when I started, I had an iPhone 5 and I did my best with that, but I wanted to get a newer device. And when the iPhone 7 came out, I got that. And I got a light kit that works well, because good lighting works when you're taking great pictures. If you don't have a light kit, just try to take it in the daytime as much as possible. And a good editing app works well too.
Are those pictures? Those are your pictures?
Yes, I take all my pictures, edit all my pictures, and
That's brilliant.
thank you so
So
much.
good lighting.
Good lighting. Plating is important too. That's a black slate that you see there with that coconut crusted shrimp and fries. I have it here on set too, so I try
The
to...
coconut crusted shrimp and say.
No, sorry about that.
Oh,
So
just the black
plating
plates.
is good. You know, everything needs to look aesthetically pleasing. I eat with my eyes first. So if it looks good, I'm more inclined to try it.
Aesthetically pleasing.
Yes, and I try to ensure that my pictures look good, so when people see it, they're like, oh, where can we find this? And
You go
I
Simon
tell them
class.
where. Yes.
2 things foreigners need to know about Jamaican foods. You really got Simon class for 2?
I mean, you know, sometimes.
I mean, you know how she
okay.
get in a interview.
So it's important that you know that you can try Jamaican foods. You know, you love your ackee and saltfish, the jerk chicken, the jerk pork, but you can also mix it up. So don't be afraid to like experiment with the local stuff, because I know people love plantain, people love ackee. You can get like a good ackee and plantain tacos from Chilitos. That's one of my favorite spots to get food from too. So you can, you know, try new things with the local stuff.
Yeah.
And also the food just tastes better here. So you really come for the food, you know that you're getting like authentic Jamaican stuff. It's something about the chefs here that cook here and the local ingredients that they use. It just really tastes better here.
So question. So if I go on
Where's the food, Joe?
Joe blog, that will tell me where I can get different kinds of foods and
Right,
stuff.
so I'm pescatarian, and I have associates that eat other things that I don't eat anymore.
But you still kind of...
Right, so I get reviews from them and I post it. So yeah, Where's the Food Joe associates as well. So it's pescatarian, vegan, vegetarian, stuff for the meat lovers. Yeah.
Where is the food Joe associates?
Yes. So
Yeah,
if
yeah,
so
big
if
thing.
yeah. So if you
Oh, you're
want
a
to
big
come
thing.
on, yeah. If you want to come on a trip with me, and I use my phone, by the way, guys, this is the phone that I use. I get a detachable lens and attach it to them and take the pictures. Just, but you're not a food, so I won't take your picture.
I like Simone stay out.
Right, so you know, you don't have to have a big camera. I use my phone, and people are surprised that I use my phone.
Yeah. Never do. Share 2 foods on your post-lockdown recommendations list.
Okay. So I went to the Dragon recently in Portmore and had some salty pepper shrimp with some fried rice. That's really good. And I was surprised at the price. It's really affordable. And I like Jamaican juice bar with the bami burgers. Chef's kiss. It's so good. So if you want something local, you can get something with bami. The Dragon is really good. So you can check out Portmore. You can check out the Jamaican, which is in Northside Plaza. Yeah,
your 3 favorite foods and where you get those. You mentioned them already.
No, I didn't. Yeah. All of them. Because I told Vegan Goddess she makes the bombest lentil bolognese. So I liked minced beef. That's before I changed my diet and everything. And she replaced the meat with lentil with homemade tomato sauce. So that's Ital Vegan Goddess. And I love sushi I get from Board to Belly Catering. And also spicy fish tacos from Chilitos. Those are my 3 faves.
You chat with the nothing. Well, you're seeing her twice this morning. So the first and the last time you seen her.
No, that's not true.
Chat too much.
But most of the restaurants are reopening. They have their physical distancing protocols in order. With Chilitos, I know that you can order from their website, and then you sit in an area and they bring the food to you. So you don't. It's like a contactless service.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm very proud of you.
Oh, thank you so much.
I'm very impressed with you.
Thank you so much.
And I pray that things will work for you.
Thank you.
Where's the food, Joe?
That's the most asked question when people see me. Where's the food, Joe, on all platforms? Instagram,
this is what
Facebook.
They need, have you?
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Thank you, Sim, for asking. You know, the best eats and treats. I recommend them. You can find them, and I collaborate with a lot of chefs companies. On my page, everybody gets a row. So if you have a restaurant or if you're a chef, I will feature the best treats that you offer in a row. So it's more valid a recommendation when I do it like that.
Final tip for bloggers.
Love what you do. If you enjoy food, ensure that when you capture it, people can, see that, all right, yes, I need to try that because, the lighting is good, the ingredients are popping on the plate, and enjoy the food when you eat. And make sure your recommendation is true.
All right, there you go. Jody Ann Williams. Yes, ma'am?
Yes.
Is a star like a 3-star, 1-star?
Okay, so the
rating?
thing that people don't know, which I'm going to let them know now, is if it's on the page, that means it's highly recommended.
Okay.
Also, when you go to restaurants, there's a Where's the Food Joe sticker that restaurants get my recommendation, so they know that the food is definitely good there. And I've had more than 1 meal, so the recommendations are solid.
Jody Ann Williams. No, Sid, no more questions.
I was joking.
AKA.
Where's the food,
Where's the food, Joe?
Look at me. You see that?
Sister Dealey.
Jody
Shorty Patty. Jody Dody. And now Chatterbox. We soon come.